welcome back to my channel. So today in this video actually I'm going for grocery shopping. It is after a long time that I am going for grocery shopping. So we are going to Dmart. So I thought I will take you all around Dmart and show you all what are the updated products in Dmart and if there are any sale going on and how is the crowd in Dmart, because so many days I was actually not going to any shops because I was worried about the crowd and stuff. So I'm gonna show you all how the crowd is. Right now it is 3:45 in the evening. So let's see how crowded it is and all that. So we'll catch you up once I reach there. So here we have reached. It's not very crowded, but definitely no one was actually following the social distancing, but still fine. And very special about Dmart is these cups. Very beautiful. I love coffee mugs or tea cups in Dmart. See how colorful they are and very reasonable. So I always buy coffee mugs from Dmart. Like for example this one, such beautiful pearl design, which is just 60 rupees, that is 59 rupees. And this white mug with red design is 89 rupees. So very beautiful designs like these with the 99 rupees which says be happy, and birthday gifts, very nice for gifting also. See all these colorful mugs. Like this one is just 59 rupees. And also this one is a new addition to Dmart. It's like a water cups or something, like 59 rupees each. So these were very cute with nice designs. Those were the new addition. And this one was also cute, 69 rupees. And the red was so cute, red that is. So yeah, always I buy mugs. This is what I had picked up this shopping, and I always buy coffee mugs from Dmart, which is so reasonable. So this is what I picked up. It is 89 rupees. Very cute green design for the refreshing mornings. And this pearl type of design, this was reminding me of unicorn colors. And this was a new addition which has hooks, and you can actually wall mount it, or it can also hang on your cupboards. It was really cute and it was just 199. It's really nice to organize kitchen. It is a very nice equipment. And this one again is a new addition. It is a rack or spoon stand, you could say. We can keep ladles or spoons or even makeup brushes we can keep in this, or maybe for the bathrooms for brushes. And can you all see, it is just 19 rupees. These cute small teacups are just 19 rupees, and it was with so many colors, beautiful colors. It's a really nice collection. And this is a really nice new addition of Dmart. This is a grater with box and a lid, which is just 99 rupees. Very good quality. I am seeing this for the first time, which you can also hang it, and it's so nice quality. This grater and chopper, chopper or blender is also available. And these candle holders, these are just 22 rupees. These are new addition candle holders which comes in various colors. And there was one whole section or a section of puja items with all brass and all that. And yeah, these plates, I use these plates for my daughter's breakfast, lunch, dinners. It's so cute that the kids get attracted to eat in this. If you all have seen my other video where she eats, I've used this plate. It's 255. Yeah, a little expensive, but the Mickey Mouse was just 99. And there will be a I button on top where you can click that and see how my daughter eats on her own. And yeah, this is another glass containers or glass boxes where you can actually store leftover food in your fridges, which is so cute. And these jars, these are airtight, quite heavy ones. It was really nice. I was seeing for the first time in Dmart. Yeah, very nice for the kitchen. It will give a very good look. And these were 99 rupees. And there were similar jars of smaller size where you can set it. It's 69 rupees, smaller in size. And there were many glass jars actually, which is a very nice collection for the kitchen. Pot puree, yeah, actually I saw this in home center online shopping, which was on sale for 99 rupees, and the same pot puree is here also for 99 rupees, which is nice. And these kadais in Dmart are so useful, so cute, because of the size. The size is so small that it is very useful. So I had already purchased one last time, so I am buying another one. This is a little different from the what I showed you all first, so I thought I will take that. And there were also some collections for baking items like the measuring spoons, which is 69 rupees. And here comes the unique stuffs. These are ice trays, which is like the stick shape, which is really nice, where it shows that we can put it in a bottle. Also, it is just 99 rupees. The quality of the plastic was really nice, good quality plastic, and very unique product. And these are egg trays. This is very nice, very useful to organize your refrigerator. And yeah, this was something new. And this is a spoon and fork holder or cutlery holder. It's really nice with that design of the spoon and the fork. This was just 99 again. And this is a many of you all would have seen online. This is a what to say, sink washer. You can just keep it on your sink and wash vegetables or stuffs like that. And this was this one was for 99 again, and this one is just 99. And these are refrigerator organizers. This is also very nice, but I think it is a little smaller in size for fruits and vegetables, but a cute one. And here leaf shaped, you can wash vegetables in this, or you can just have like a fruit bowl, fruit basket. It's really nice. It was just 89 rupees. There were many different designs of fruit baskets, which was really cheap. Like this one is 89 rupees. And these small dustbins are very useful. I normally use these kind of dustbins all over my house, like everywhere there'll be a small dustbin, so where you can throw the garbage immediately, like small things. These were 149 rupees. And these bigger dustbin, which was so cute with the wooden finishing, these were just 99 rupees. And these I'm sure you all would have seen online. It's very nice for washing your fruits and vegetables. It is foldable, so it won't consume much space. So it's like this. And this price of this is just 79 rupees. That's so cheap, and the quality of the material was really good. And these tubs, storage tubs you could call, or box, these were really nice, very strong. It was just 4.99 for that big ones. It is nice for storing toys or like that. And these were smaller in size, and this was 219 rupees. And this is much smaller, but the quality is really nice. And the color, there's only one color of option, but it's really nice. These new canisters are so nice. This is airtight ones. Only if you open that lid ring on top, it opens. Once you close that ring, it is completely tight. It is 179, a little pricey, but it's very cute and very elegant. There were also curtains available, and this was a new arrival, because they had not opened the box also. They just got the box in front of us, and we actually opened the box, and they were small chairs like this. My daughter actually loved this chair, and it looks so cute. And yeah, it is so useful also, because when she does all the activities, it is really nice to make her sit near the table and do this. So this is a very nice product. I loved it. It was just $5.49, which is really cheap, and the quality is really nice. So this is how it looks. It's very cute. And there were also new arrival toys, like this one is a xylophone, and you can also they also have that buttons where it makes sounds. Sorry, the original sound is cut. And this kitchen set, which is like very nice. I think it is electronic, you need to use batteries, and the xylophone did not need any batteries for that. And these animal set is really nice. I have already got this for my daughter from Dmart. It is just $159. There are also fishing sets, which is just 119 rupees. And this fast food set, you could call it, I don't know what. I actually got one for my daughter. If you all know the other video of mine, I have got her a kitchen set. You all can see the link above.
So that's it, people. We have done with our shopping, and I'm heading back home. So the shopping was quite good, because after a long time being to Dmart is like felt really good. And also a lot of new products, which was quite exciting for me to see all that. So done with the shopping. All our shopping bags are at the back, and waiting to see my daughter going back. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also do subscribe if you have not yet. And thank you for watching. Until then, bye bye.